Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off AirDrop on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So the easiest way to turn on and off AirDrop is if you go to the top of the screen and click on this icon, and here you can see the AirDrop option. Now it's turned off, but if you click on it, you can turn it on, and then you have to select if you want contacts only or everyone. So this is the two ways you can AirDrop, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.